Hello, I'm Beth, Training Coordinator for Southwire Solutions University, also known as SSU. Today, I will show you how to modify your SSU registration to add additional training courses. So let's dive right in. First, I'm going to start with going to southwire.com. At the top of the screen, click Services, then you'll click Southwire Solutions University. Scroll down for a bit and you'll see Classroom and Virtual Events. Click Visit Site, and this is going to put you on our registration page. Now, since this registration video is about modifying your registration, you've already seen this page before. You're returning to this page and you're just adding classes. So this time, instead of clicking Register Now, you're going to click Already Registered. The system's going to want two things from you, your email address and your confirmation number. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my email address that I used to register. Now I have my confirmation number on the clipboard. I'm just going to paste it in. If for some reason you don't know your confirmation number, either your confirmation number will be on your registration confirmation that you get once you register for a session. But if you've lost that email, that's okay. If you'll just click right here, forgot your confirmation number, you will get an email. The system will send you an email with your confirmation number in it, and then you can just copy and paste it into this window and go ahead and log in. And notice it is a login. So once you've registered for one course, when you come back to the system, you already have an account created for you. And this is how you get back into your account. All right, so I've got my email address, my confirmation number, and I'm going to log in. The system's going to take me to the last page it remembered me being on. So this is my registration confirmation page from my previous registration. So all I have to do to modify my registration is click on this button, Modify Registration. This lets me add classes or delete classes that I don't want. So I'm going to modify my registration, and you can modify your registration at any time. Okay, notice it puts you back on the personal work information page, but notice it's filled out for you. So you do not have to type anything in unless you want to change information. So if you want to change something, that's fine, do that, then click Next. And it's going to put us on the page. If you remember the registration items, this is where you select your classes. You can scroll down. If you didn't mean to sign up for this class, you can deselect it. And then you can scroll down. You can use your scroll bar to make it easier if you're needing to go down to a class, perhaps, for example, in June. And maybe you meant to sign up for this Configurator Plus class. So I'm going to select it. And then I realized I'd like to go to this class too, branch circuits. All right, then I'm going to click Next. This puts me back on the we've got to handle our travel real quickly here. This page is here for in-person travel, but we're not accepting in-person travel right now. So just say that you're attending virtual training and you do not need travel. And now we're back on registration summary. So just the important part is to scroll down to the bottom, check your agenda, make sure it has the correct classes that you registered for. If you made a mistake, just click Previous and go back to that window that we were on, the registration items, and select the classes that you want and fix the ones that you didn't want, whatever changes you need to make. Then when you get to this page again, you're going to click Submit. And it says it's working on our order. Our order is ready. And it's going to give us an opportunity to share the event with your colleagues if you want to. You can copy the URL and just paste it in any social media account. If you don't want to, that's fine too. Click the X to close out the window. And now we're back on the registration confirmation page. And you will get another email. There's a confirmation email that will tell you the new sessions that you've registered for. And I also want to point out that it's the same confirmation number as before. Also, you can add to calendar. Don't worry about this event up here. That's a year-long event, but you're interested in the individual sessions. Notice that your individual sessions have been updated. It took off that class that I didn't want, and it added the 2 in June that I did want. So say, for example, I've already downloaded this Plan and Execute feeder class, so I don't need it. Go to your Configurator Plus, click Download. It's going to download your calendar file in the lower left-hand corner. Double click on that and just click Save, and it'll save it to your calendar. And you can do that for each session that you need to. And when you're finished, just click the X to close, and you're done. And I would like you to know that I'm available. If you need help with this process or you just have questions, you can contact me. My name is underneath my picture. Just shorten the Elizabeth to Beth, and you can email me at Beth.Chandler@southwire.com. I'm happy to hear from you anytime. You have a good day.